Hey everyone, and welcome back to Boss Talk English.
Welcome back.
Today, we are talking about something very important for English learners.
Simple questions.
Yes, simple questions in English.
Questions you can use in daily life.
Questions you can use when meeting people.
Questions you can use when traveling.
Questions you can use at school, at work, and in everyday situations.
This lesson is for beginners.
So we will keep everything clear and easy.
We will use short questions,
Short answers.
natural conversations, and lots of practice.
By the end of this lesson, you will understand and use many simple English questions with more confidence. Let's start with one of the most common questions.
What's your name?
What's your name?
This is one of the first questions people learn in English.
And it is very useful.
You ask this when you meet someone and want to know their name.
A simple answer is, my name is Jay.
Or, I'm Maya.
Both are correct.
Let's practice.
What's your name?
I'm Maya.
What's your name?
My name is Maya.
Here is a short conversation.
Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very simple.
Very natural.
You can also ask, what is your name?
That is correct too.
But what's your name sounds more natural in conversation.
Now let's try it again.
What's your name?
I'm Jay.
What's your name?
My name is Jay.
Good.
Now let's go to another very common question.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
This is also a very useful question when you meet someone new.
You can answer with, I'm from Canada,
Or, I'm from Brazil.
or I'm from Spain.
Or, I'm from Japan.
Very easy pattern.
I'm from, and then your country or city.
Let's practice.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Nice.
Now let's put two questions together.
What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Great.
Let's hear a short conversation.
Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Ireland.
Nice.
That is already a good beginner conversation.
Now let's move to another question.
How are you?
How are you?
This is one of the most common questions in English.
People say it all the time.
You can answer in many simple ways.
For example, I'm good, thanks.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm okay.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
Let's practice.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How are you?
Not bad.
You can also ask the question back.
That is polite and natural.
For example, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Or, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Let's hear that in a short conversation.
Hi, Maya. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Easy.
Now, let's learn another common question.
What do you do?
What do you do?
This question usually means, what is your job?
Or, what do you do in daily life?
It is common in small talk.
Some easy answers are, I'm a student.
I'm a teacher.
I work in an office.
I work in a shop.
I'm a nurse.
I work from home.
Let's practice.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Nice.
Now, let's connect these questions.
What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Perfect.
That is a very useful group of beginner questions.
Now let's learn a question for everyday life.
Do you live here?
Do you live here?
This is useful when you meet someone in a city, at an event, or in a class.
You can answer, yes, I do.
or no, I don't.
You can also give a little more information.
For example, yes, I do. I live near here.
Or, no, I don't. I'm here for work.
Let's practice.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I live in this neighborhood.
Nice.
Now, another useful question.
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
This is good for events, classes, restaurants, cities, and new places.
You can answer, yes, it is.
Or, no, it isn't.
Let's practice.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Is this your first time here?
No, it isn't.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Good.
Let's hear both questions in one conversation.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, I'm Jay.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Very natural.
Now let's move to another important question.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
This is a very useful question, especially when traveling.
Or when meeting someone from another country?
You can answer, yes, I do,
Or, a little?
or not very well.
Or, no, I don't.
Let's practice.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Do you speak English?
Not very well.
Good.
This is a simple question, but very useful in real life.
Now let's learn a question that can help you in many situations.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
This is very important.
Yes, very important.
You can use it in a shop,
On the street,
at a station,
at a hotel,
at school.
almost anywhere.
If you need help, this is a great question.
The answer can be, yes, of course.
Or, sure.
Or, sorry, I can't.
Let's practice.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Can you help me?
Sorry, I can't.
Here is a short conversation.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very useful.
Now let's learn another question for everyday life.
What time is it?
What time is it?
You use this when you want to know the time.
You can answer with, it's 3 o'clock.
Or, it's 5:30.
Or, it's 8:15.
Let's practice.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 4:30.
What time is it?
It's 7:15.
Good.
Now let's add can you help me and what time is it together.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock.
Thank you.
No problem.
Nice.
Now let's learn one more very useful question.
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
This is one of the most practical questions in English.
Very practical.
You can use it in a restaurant, at a station, in a school, in an office, or at someone's house.
A simple answer can be, it's over there,
Or, it's on the left.
or it's on the right,
Or, it's upstairs.
or it's downstairs.
Let's practice.
Where's the bathroom?
It's on the left.
Where's the bathroom?
It's over there.
Where's the bathroom?
It's upstairs.
Good.
Let's hear a short conversation.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
It's on the right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very useful.
Now let's review the simple questions we learned so far.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
How are you?
What do you do?
Do you live here?
Is this your first time here?
Do you speak English?
Can you help me?
What time is it?
Where is the bathroom?
That is a very strong set of beginner questions.
Yes. If you know these questions, you can do a lot in English.
Now, let's practice them in short conversations.
Conversation 1.
Hi, I'm Jay. What's your name?
I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Nice.
Conversation 2.
Hi, Maya. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Conversation 3.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
Conversation 4.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Conversation 5.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where's the bathroom?
It's over there.
Conversation 6.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice.
Very useful.
Very beginner friendly.
Now, let's talk about asking questions politely.
Good idea.
Sometimes a simple question is correct, but it can sound better with a few extra words.
For example, instead of only saying, "Where is the bathroom?" you can say, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?"
That sounds more polite.
The same is true for, "Can you help me?"
Yes.
"Excuse me, can you help me?" sounds softer and friendlier.
Let's compare.
Where is the bathroom?
Correct.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
More polite.
Can you help me?
Correct.
Excuse me, can you help me?
More polite.
What time is it?
Correct.
Excuse me, what time is it?
More polite.
This is a very good habit for beginners.
Yes, small words can make a big difference.
Now let's do a full beginner conversation with several simple questions.
Hi, I'm Jay. What's your name?
I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Very natural.
Now let's do another one in a travel situation.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you help me?
Sure.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
And where is the bathroom?
It's downstairs.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great.
Now let's look at some common mistakes.
This part is important.
Mistake number 1. Asking too many questions too fast.
Yes, that can feel unnatural.
Keep your questions simple and relaxed.
Ask one question,
Listen to the answer.
then ask the next question.
Mistake number 2. Forgetting to answer politely.
For example, if someone says, "How are you?" do not only say "good"
Better. I'm good, thanks.
or "I'm fine, thank you."
Mistake number 3. Sounding too direct in public places,
Add "excuse me" when needed.
especially with strangers.
That helps a lot.
Mistake number 4. Being afraid of simple English.
Simple English is powerful.
Yes, you do not need difficult grammar to communicate.
Now let's practice a repetition round.
Great for listening and speaking.
I will ask the question.
And I will answer.
What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do.
Is this your first time here?
No, it isn't.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
Where is the bathroom?
It's on the left.
Great.
Now I will ask and Maya will answer.
Ready.
What's your name?
I'm Maya.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Sure.
What time is it?
It's 7:30.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
Perfect.
Now let's do some real-life examples.
Example 1. Meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Maya. What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Example 2. At an event.
Hi, do you live here?
No, I don't.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Example 3. Asking for help.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Example 4. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where's the bathroom?
It's on the right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Example 5. Asking the time.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 8:15.
Thanks.
No problem.
Before we finish, let's review all the key questions one more time.
What's your name?
Where are you from?
How are you?
What do you do?
Do you live here?
Is this your first time here?
Do you speak English?
Can you help me?
What time is it?
Where is the bathroom?
These questions are short,
Useful,
natural.
and very important for beginners.
If you can ask simple questions, you can start real conversations.
You can get help.
You can meet people,
You can understand more.
and you can feel more confident in English.
Remember, you do not need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Practice these questions again and again.
Say them slowly,
Listen carefully.
and use them in real life when you can.
Start with easy questions.
Then build longer conversations over time.
Thanks for joining us today.
We hope this lesson helps you ask simple questions in English with more confidence.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening,
Keep speaking.
and keep learning step by step.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.